Now, you guys are probably wondering, James, why are you so dressed down? James, why is there no videos today? Well, if you don't know, today is actually the Columbus Day holiday in the United States, and everything is closed. Well, I'll take that back. Almost everything is closed because for some reason, as always, the New York Stock Exchange is open for trade. But I rushed back to Brooklyn to tell you a few things. Number one, it's not after 4 o'clock yet. Number two, it's not officially happy hour yet, but because the markets are pretty quiet and a lot of the other U.S. markets are closed, we're going to get it started early. That's right, we'll start the week off right. I'm stuttering on myself because it's time for an early edition of Happy Hour here in New York City. Now, U.S. stocks, they fell Monday afternoon. This with investors on shaky ground, following a third week of losses and amid a lack of action, with today being once again the Columbus Day holiday here in the United States. Now, during the weekend, Federal Reserve officials said the central bank might move more slowly on raising interest rates if weak growth overseas threatens the U.S. recovery. Meanwhile, a lack of data and earnings today turned focus over to, well, later this week, with earnings get in full swing with results expected from Intel, Johnson & Johnson, American Express, and General Electric. And with almost everything closed here, well, bond markets, commodity futures, post offices, banks, the guy that sells me the fish down the corner, I'll tell you right now, let's take a look to see how the markets are shaping up, and there's not a lot of movement at all. And yes, there is some news on the corporate front. CSX rallying today as the rail operator declined to comment on a Wall Street Journal report that it's been approached by Canadian Pacific Railway about a possible merger. That guy's excited. And JCPenney surged after naming Home Depot executive Marvin Ellison the president of the department store chain, with plans for him to take over as chief executive officer in 2015. So there you have it. Kick back, relax, go for a run like I'm about to, because technically it's a holiday here in the United States. And I'll see you guys all tomorrow morning. For ModernWallStreet.com, I'm James Swinney. Meanwhile, in the other markets, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And yes, there is some news on the corporate.